the new little boy Budgie. His name is Maurice, and Parli, Francious, is showing him the ropes of being a budgie in a house full of little birds and one big baby duck bird. They just got done eating their vegetables and their lettuce. And then they flew over on top of Chichi Yanzi's cage to eat the lettuce from there. They're such happy little boys. Aren't they so cute? Parli, Maurice. Hey, Parli, Francois. He's still chewing on lettuce. Yeah, Tiki, say come on. Where is Tiki? There's Tiki. Hello, Tiki, Peanut Nose. Are you gonna come out and play? Tiki has a nest up there. It's like a little nest hut, but he doesn't use it he doesn't go inside or outside. He chews on it and use it for surroundings of his whole house. He has a pretty big cage. Let's see where my little Quaker bird. There's Tiki, Peanut Nose. Yeah, that's his toys. Oh, you ate all your lettuce too, huh? Good boy. And here's Tiki's nest, outside and inside. He has it all stuffed with paper. And there's his little hole how to get inside his house, his little nest. Come on, Tiki. Are you gonna go inside your house? Huh? You gonna come kiss my mama? And to kiss. No more lettuce down there either. It's okay. What are you doing, Maurice? These are my 3 boys. And with the nest that I got through Amazon, I thought I'd just get them because they were cheap. And it's winter time. And here's the finch's nest. They like the little house up there. That's their house. There they are. Mama and Papa Finch. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. And there's my Tweety bird. There she is. Whoops. Okay, beepers. Where's Chichi? Oh, there she is on top of all the foods. What are you doing down there on top of all the food containers, Chichi Yanzi? Huh? What are you doing? Up, duck. She finally found her lettuce. You got it before the little birds did, huh? Oh, Maurice found some lettuce. Yeah, from Tweety Bird's house. Oh, Tweety Bird. Do you have scratchies? Huh? Do you have scratchies? You got the itchies up here. Oh, you do. The Tweety Bird. My granddaughter calls Tweety Bird Pikachu. Well, say bye-bye, everybody.